Fight free Black Republic. Haiti. Haiti. Save our souls. It's the SOS. Man down.
A cry for Haiti, a cry for Haiti, a cry for Haiti. No act like we don't see. We need to save the people. All those wicked evils. From what I've been seeing, it's time to do something. Enough is enough with Haiti.
I'm feeling
We need to expose the hidden. It's time to
while I was in
my
this
island. I got so many questions. So many questions. Was truly Haiti good friends? Why so much crime on this land? Why can't some leaders come in? Lord, when will this show my end? Is where we wanna stay, but we keep running away. A better life, that's what we're looking for.
I think that you were going to cry, but we knew that community was a priority. That we wanted to
oppressed and the weak. I cry for unity. We need stability. We need peace. I cry for healing. These hurt souls are tired of suffering. I cry for help with open arms, kneeling my people crying. Natural disasters don't give us a break. No hospitals to go. I'm scared of being sick. My dad said trust God, but I never lose faith. But everyday kids are starving, nothing on their plate. You won't understand if you ain't never live it. I cry for a change, together we could do it. We could do it.
A cry for Haiti, a cry for Haiti, a cry for Haiti. No act like we don't see. We need to save the people. All those wicked evils. Yelele, yelele.